Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete history on YouTube Music. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, if you want to delete your music listening history on YouTube Music, no matter what your reasons are, it's very easy to do. To do this, first open the YouTube Music app. Next, you'll need to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to go to your account. Next, you select History. And that way you'll see the songs that you've listened to, like today, this week, and so on. And in order to delete any of the songs, you have to click on the three dots next to the song. And at the very bottom, you'll see Delete from History. You click on it, and as you can see, instantly that song is deleted. Once again, three dots, Delete from History, and the song will be deleted. And you will need to keep doing the same action until you clear your listening history. That's the simple way you can delete your music listening history from YouTube Music. I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.